Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. Today, this is just me doing a bit of background, I guess, audio thingy-ma-doo-hickeys, and yeah, this is a little bit of a speed build, and hopefully I have enough time to go over my concept. And the concept I wanted to go over was my YouTube story. I'm guessing many people have had questions about my YouTube story, and so it started out, I was playing on the server Pokecraft, if you really know that server, and Sandwich told me about this recording software called Fraps, and I'm like, sweet, I'm gonna try it out, and I got the free version, and I might have been from someone else, actually. I might have been from another YouTuber, I just can't remember. Yeah, I can't remember who, so, I was like, sweet, I want to record videos, and I got the free version. I'm like, okay, Sandwich, now what do I do? And he's just like, well, and I'm like, Sandwich, I can only record 30 seconds. Why can't I record better? And he's like, well, you need the full version, and if you have low FPS, you probably shouldn't use it. So, eventually I did get a better computer, and so, yeah, I did end up getting a better computer, which is the one that I use now, and I really like it. And, yeah. After that, when I got Fraps, me and Sandwich decided to record stuff together, and then it was like, I met Dakota a little bit after, some of you may remember some of my videos, and, so I met him, and we recorded I recorded some stuff together with him, and, now everything we've recorded has been uploaded. So, yeah, and we talked a lot. We really loved doing stuff together, and I thought it was really fun, and I decided to, put my videos on YouTube, and I'm like, I've just got to make a YouTube channel, and then my mom was like, oh, well, we don't have a YouTube channel. I said, well, did you have one? And she said, yeah, so I used her account, and that's why it was JJ Gandy for some time. That was my mom's. That's why, and, yeah, so I decided to rename it to Ricer G eventually, and it was really fun. I'd gotten some of my friends to watch my videos, and it's really fun, and now look where I am, 27 subscribers. I actually did get a subscriber today, and that's another thing I wanted to talk about with subscribers. Guys, if you have a YouTube account, and if you don't, and if you have any friends who have YouTube accounts, or any friends that watch YouTube, go ahead and tell them about my channel. I love my viewers that if they have an account or if they subscribe or like whatever. I like my viewers as long as they watch my videos, so I hope you guys can understand that. And if you have an account and you do subscribe, thank you guys so much. It's giving me a little mini popularity. It's people have been talking to me a little more. They're actually two girls in my class. I'm not gonna say their names, but I know one of them watches my videos, and yeah, we laugh all the time. We make so many jokes, and when YouTube comes into play for me, I've got some hilarious moments that I share, and it's just it's great. YouTube has been forming me like more relationships and stuff, like friends. I've been getting more friends, and it's so amazing that it's all because of my viewers. And I just want to thank you guys so much for helping me just get this far. I didn't expect to get more than 10 subscribers, and look where I am now, almost 3 times the number I thought I would get. And hopefully I can make a big hit and get 1,000 subscribers. It'd be amazing, guys. It'd be like the greatest day ever, and I would really love that. And one thing I've been trying to do is I got this amazing kill today, but I didn't record it, and I got this extremely epic game on Moonbase 9, but I didn't end up recording it because I didn't think I would do good, and me and Sandwich just ripped apart the whole game. And I got like 700 points from the game. It was absolutely insane. And I love playing scrub games and just anything with Sandwich and any of my friends on Skype. And, you know, if you guys are small YouTubers and you want to record with me, then go ahead and just ask me. I will definitely be more than happy to record stuff with you. So yeah, I do hope you guys will enjoy me being a little more active with my subscribers. And, you know, if you know me in real life, go ahead and contact me in real life. You know, ask me if you can record a video together. Yeah, that stuff like that. I really want to be interacting with my subscribers more. So, you know, if you guys could just, you know, tell me if you want to do stuff together, go ahead. Leave it in the comments down below. I'll definitely pay attention to what I do read all the comments that I get. I get like 2. But I do read every single comment that I get. So, if you guys do comment, he's probably not going to see it, guys. I do read every single comment that I get. So, you don't have to worry about me not noticing or reading every single comment that I get. So I hope you guys understand that, you know, I'm not the biggest YouTuber, and I will be taking a break from YouTube. I'm uploading this Sunday, exactly 1 week before Easter. And speaking of Easter, I will be, this is the last video I'm going to be uploading until Easter, because, you know, I'll be taking a little break from YouTube, because, you know, it's Easter and spring break. I'm going to get a ton of videos mass recorded, and just, you know, get a ton of uploads ready. And, you know, I hope you guys are going to look forward to that as much as I am. And then Sunday, I'll upload hopefully 3 videos. I can't make any promises though. Probably just 2, but I'll try to get 3. So I hope you guys will definitely enjoy that, and I definitely think you will. So from here on out, just enjoy the music. Leave a like if you haven't already. Goodbye, everybody, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Well, no, I'll just see you after the video ends. Not after. I'll just see you in the next video. Goodbye. Peace out, home dogs!